Hi everybody, welcome to this class. In this class we will study about conditional operator. In previous class we did first program of conditional operator in which we check two numbers and we find out the greater number between them. Same program we will a program just like this we will do today, but the printing information will be in different method or in different way. In this program I will enter age of a person and will check whether he can vote or cannot vote. So we have to print message, and for this we will make a second program. First of all we will import util package, and then we will take a class voting test, and here we will take main method. We will make an object of scanner class. Now we will ask user to enter age of a person. After reading age, we will do this system.out.println. If age is greater than equals to 18, we will print message can vote, otherwise cannot vote. So this is the second method of conditional operator to print a message. We will save this program with the help of with the name voting test.java, my computer, C drive, JDK folder and bin folder. Now we will open command prompt, go to root drive, open JDK, open bin, compile this program java voting test.java and run. Enter age of a person 25, can vote. Enter age of a person 2 years, cannot vote. So we can look here, when age is greater than equals to 18, this message will print can vote. If age is greater than lesser than 18, then we will come here and will print this message cannot vote. We can make this program like previous program also, like this. For this we will take a string variable message, and here we will say if age is greater than equals to 18, can vote, otherwise cannot vote. And now we will print this message like a simple printing statement. Again we will say Ctrl S, by up arrow key compile, and by down arrow key bring previous command. We can look here. So same program can be made with two methods. If you want to print message directly here, we will write this statement like this, otherwise we can do as we did in previous program. So it is a program of conditional operator, it is second program, and in this method I teach you second method of printing, a different way of printing a message. So I think this program will be more helpful for you. If it seems to you helpful, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos of conditional operator or related to the related topics of the Java programming and other programmings. If somebody want to see all these tutorial in Hindi, you can visit my second channel. Link of that channel is present under the description of this video. Thanks for watching.